Hello, welcome to the Media Creator channel. Today I will show you how to create a smoke effect in Photoshop. We are creating our canvas. Drag and drop the image to create the effect. We are creating a new layer. Take the crayon and enter the value of 15px. A line that looks like smoke is ours. After that, filter, blur gallery and path blur. There comes such an arrow, place it at the tip and at the end as I showed. Increase the speed value on the right side. Create one more layer. Draw a more wavy line. Our smokes are ready. Now I'm turning down the opacity of my smoke, which is more wavy. Here it is ready.